Hi there, how are you guys today?
Hi, what's up? Time to eat? Hungry.
We want to show you a very simple recipe today. So easy, it only has 3 ingredients.
Italian classics, cheese ravioli, egg pasta filled with ricotta. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good.
How many ounces is that?
20.
Okay, that's from the refrigerated section, so it's not frozen.
Yeah.
However, you could use frozen ravioli, whatever you have in your freezer, that's
Hey, we
fine
match.
to use. You can use ravioli, you can use tortellini, you can choose to use meat or not, but we're going meatless.
That smells good. What's that?
Today. You smell it, huh?
Sorry, I interrupted you.
That's
Meatless.
okay.
Meatless.
Meatless today.
Okay,
Yep.
but what's this?
This is sage smell. It's fresh sage, and I was so happy to get it today because I made my trip to the store with my mask on, and I bought fresh herbs.
Are we supposed to burn this and go walk around the house?
Oh, no.
Good vibes, good vibes.
We could do that, but we have to dry it first.
I love it though.
Okay, but it does smell nice. So we're going to use one more ingredient, which is a stick of butter. So for this size bag of ravioli, a stick of butter, a handful of fresh sage, that's all you need. And we're going to make very delicious browned butter ravioli. So Rick's ready to start boiling it for you.
Okay, I'll boil this.
And in the meantime, I'm going to get the sage ready, and we'll show you how fast you can make this.
Is this a one-pot meal?
It's a one-pot meal.
Are you gonna brown the butter in that
Yeah, as soon as you're done boiling in there,
boiling pan?
I'm going to take the leaves off of the stems here, and we're going to brown them right with the brown butter.
Whoa, brown butter, wham blam. Whoa, brown butter, wham blam.
I love that song.
I get the boiling going. You see me over here, huh? Come over here.
Oh, let me get the camera for you.
It's okay. You need this?
Oh, it's my spoon rest.
Oh. Is your spoon tired?
Oh my God, you should smell this now, Rick.
Do you have a tired spoon?
Now that I peeled
We're
it.
selling spoon rests. You gonna chop them up then?
No, we're going to eat them whole and crispy. See how nice they are?
Yeah.
They're really nice sized leaves. And we're just going to like fry them a little bit in that butter.
Pastor.
Okay, we're going to boil these about 3 minutes. And you can see it's already boiling quickly. And then we're going to drain them in a colander here in the sink. Then I'll start making the butter sauce. Okay, we're turning it down to medium just to boil it for about 3 minutes.
Looks good.
Yep.
I made them.
And the ravioli you have to stir very gently, just like Rick is doing right now, because we don't want them to fall apart. They look good.
Little cheese pillows.
Okay, ready to go?
Yep.
Now he's going to bring the pot right back to me here on the stove.
Pour them gently so you don't damage them
Yeah.
into a strainer.
Okay.
Nice. You want the heat on yet over here?
Yes. I can do
The heat is on. Oh.
All right, I'm going to take my stick of butter,
Butter.
and to make brown butter, we just put it right in the pan.
Lamba lamba.
And you have to be careful not to let it burn. So now we have the heat on low. We're just going to keep stirring this until it gets foamy, which will take a little while. We'll be back. Now the butter's almost completely melted, but see how it's starting to make a little foam? That's headed to a nice brown butter. I turned this up to medium heat right now, but we have to really keep an eye on this. In the meantime, I washed all the leaves. Now look, there we go. That's a foam. I'm going to turn that down to low. And we're going to put each of the leaves in here and let them brown along with the butter. And this flavors the butter with this wonderful smell that we're getting here right now. Oh my goodness. What a great topping for this nice ravioli. Now Rick's getting ready to put the ravioli in a plate and loosen them up a little bit. And then we'll be ready to pour the sauce on top.
That's a lot of ravioli. Ooh-wee.
Very, very gentle, very gentle.
They're good.
Oh, they look nice, nice and tender. Okay, now over here, we got the sage turning nice and brown. And the butter, it'll be ready in a minute or two. Now Rick's filling each of our bowls with a nice serving of ravioli, and we'll be pouring the butter on them next.
Mmm.
Okay, that's good.
2 bowls. Nice.
Yeah, they are nice.
Fresh. Homemade.
Okay, homemade.
Then we're going to have leftovers.
That's good.
We could eat it all.
Okay, we're ready for the saucing. Now see how that butter's turning brown real quick? It's a fine line. And it's making the leaves curl up and fry in that nice flavorful butter. But we don't want to let it burn, so we got to keep
It'll burn
stirring.
real quick right now, right?
That's right. And look at the golden color. Oh gosh. This is going to be so good. See the rich brown color in there.
I like it like that. I'm hungry.
Yep, and now see how the leaves got like stiff? They're actually changed in their, they're not soft little leaves anymore. We're gonna shut off the heat and just stir us a minute more and top it on our ravioli. Oh, gorgeous, gorgeous, and that's how you make brown butter.
Smells good.
Okay, let's get them on the ravioli. Now the first thing I'm going to do is put some of these leaves on each dish. And they're going to be, oh, did you hear the crunch when I picked that up? Oh my gosh, it's so enjoyable to eat this.
I'll let you know.
Yeah, Rick's the king of crunchy things. He likes the crunchy things a lot. So you can even hold the whole bunch of it. It's like a little potato chip. Now we have this really gorgeous butter, and I'm just going to pour some on each dish. Okay, we're just going to pour some on. Wow. We might get another couple leaves in there. We'll save a little bit of this
'cause we got some leftovers.
for the leftovers. Perfect.
Woo! Well, we might finish this anyway if we eat these bowls quick, right?
I know.
Let's taste it. I'm ready.
Do you want to sit down or do you want to taste it?
Well, whatever you think.
Oh, why not sit down and enjoy it? We're probably not going to be able to stop eating.
Oh, it does smell so good.
Wait, I'll get you the water.
I can't wait.
In case you burn your tongue.
Oh, it smells so good. It's crunchy.
How do you like that?
You can break them up and get them all around there if you want.
Sure, but isn't it fun to eat them like a little potato chip?
Yeah, let's taste this
Oh,
brown butter now.
oh my gosh, that is so good. You could eat a whole bowl of these, huh?
This has the flavor of that sage in there too. Without sage on it. It's all through the butter.
That's what we're trying to do. This is so good. And see how easy. 3 ingredients. How many minutes? 15 minutes or so.
One pan.
1 pan. You could serve it in one nice big plate for your family or your visitors or whatever. But it's nice to put the little sage leaves right on top, right?
Yeah. It's good for you too. We're going to finish that, aren't we? I'm really happy we got to get the sage today. Yeah.
When you bite on it, it tastes so good and then it like disintegrates, right? Sometimes at this time when you go to the store you don't always get the fresh herbs, but today they had just filled the case.
So try this. It's easy. Oh, I got brown butter down the bottom. Oh.
I know, think about it. It's not even a jar of pasta sauce or anything. So easy.
Thanks for stopping by. Please subscribe. We're new here. And pass the word to all your friends.
Yep.
We're going to keep enjoying this. I was just thinking, we could have cut up onions and put in there too, huh?
Yeah.
Anything you like. We could
Okay.
change it up.
Yeah, but the flavor of the
Yeah.
sage was able to come through on its own.
Yeah, so good.
Well, I'm glad you joined us for this recipe.
Yeah, thanks for stopping by.
Hope you get a chance to try it.